Sunday's short, accurate, positive and important news. A fire started late Saturday night in Parwan Salang Tunnel. A fire started Saturday night in Parwan Salang Pass Tunnel due to the collapse of an oil tanker. But fortunately, the Ministry of Public Health and Ministry of Defense reached the area in time and provided emergency and medical services to the victims, and also rescued a number of passengers trapped in the tunnel. The officials of the National Examination Authority met with the Dr. Kalandar Ibad, Minister of Public Health. The officials of the National Examination Authority met with the Acting Minister of Public Health and discussed the preparation for the next exit exam and the responsibilities of both administrations to take the exam transparently from the past. Kabul Mayor met with the car dealers of Kasaba. The Mayor of Kabul met with the car dealers of the Kasaba area regarding the rent of the property of Kabul municipality, which owes about 190 million Afghanis from the Kabul municipality for the past year. Deputy Governor pardoned his father murderer. Jozdan Deputy Governor Maulavi Gul Muhammad has pardoned the murderer of his father, who was expected to be executed under Qisas law. The move helped bring 30 years old enmity to an end between the two tribes as well. The Technical Commission meeting was held in Nimroz. Justice Ministry says the meeting of the Technical Commission to prevent land grabbing in Nimroz province was held with the presence of the chairman and members of this committee. Distribution of cash assistance at cold winter by Afghan Red Crescent Society. On 17 December, Afghan Red Crescent Society distributed the second installment of cash assistance, which totals 8,618,400 Afghani for the rehabilitation of houses of 614 earthquake-hit families in Gayan district, Paktika province. 2 more damaged helicopters were restored. The technical staff of the Ministry of National Defense were able to repair and restore 2 more damaged helicopters and made it ready to fly. Weapons and military equipment were seized. Local security officials said that security forces have discovered and seized a number of military supplies in Uruzgan.